Hey guys, welcome back to another video on airdrop free mining on how you can claim free token for yourself. I've come with another airdrop this time, and this name of the app is a Grow Network Mining. So as the name implies, so you need to head over to your Play Store. As you can see, I'm on my Play Store here. Then type the name here in the search bar here, Grow Network. So when you tap on the app, you open it and you register. And this somehow is different from all the mining miles I've been done, because I believe a majority of the mining, you have the one that you mine for 6 hours, the one for 24 hours, the one for 8 hours, as the case may be. But this one, you need to be very, very active, because you need to be claiming your token every 1 hour. As the name implies, Grow Network, grow through fun play. This interface of the app, this has look like sign in, blah blah, like that. So let me quickly guide you through and let's register on this particular application together. So once you have done the application on your phone, so head over to where you're having the application. So then open it just like I'm doing right now and sign up and start claiming your Grow Network every 1 hour. So click on continue, get started. And if you are new, just click on sign up. So then enter your email here. That's the email I'll be using. Enter your real name. Okay, sorry, I've entered the name. We are supposed to put my name, so let me put my name here. That's the name I'll be using. Make sure you use your real name, because when you have to verify, don't use your nickname. Use the name that is on your ID card. So username, you can decide to use any username of your choice. So that's by the way. Then enter your password. Password again. Password again, then referral code. So I will put my referral code. So please use the referral code you are seeing on the screen of this video to register. So it's a way of saying thank you to me for telling you about this platform first. So I will appreciate if you use my referral code and create an account. Let's see how it goes. So can you see? Successfully created. So account has been, it's not, there is nothing any hiding in registration at all. And if you are the type you are getting maybe not register, maybe email not verification, or the case maybe, just go ahead in case you are not getting email verification. So you need to guess match a game. So if I click on the first one, so see what I have. Let me guess where I'm going to get. That's wrong. So you continue, guess, that's wrong. Continue, guess. Wow, correct. And you see, that's correct. So what next? Which one? That's no. Continue, guess. There is a time counter. Wow, that's correct. Then the last one, I think no, yes. So love. So that's it. Excellent. So you need to keep guessing before the countdown complete. So here you are. So join our community. You can join their community on Telegram, join on WhatsApp. But for me, I will just let maybe later. So join their community for your own. So then you need to do your what? Use your KYC here. You need to upload front of your ID, upload the back of it. That's why I say you need to use your real name. But for now, I'm going to skip this process. But you can do your own right away. So skip for now. Then once you have done that, what you need to do is just to click here and you start mining right away. So you need to do game match. Let's see, game match. No. So we need to be fast to do it before the time lapse. Oh, correct. Another one, I think. Wow, that's correct. Another one, wrong. Correct. Then this one. Wow. So that's it. So unlock. So and the mining is going to start immediately. So I need to do KYC again. Yes, I'll do it. So the 1 hour mining has started, as you can see. So after 1 hour, you see come back to come and mine again. So there are also other way of how you can mine. So you see, you can watch the video, you can share your referral link with your people to earn more, and do a lot of tasks you can do on this particular Grow Network. So if you are on it, so share your experience in the comment of this video, and if you are not here, go ahead and join this Grow Network and let's start mine. Something that's going to, something that's going to give you each money like just like a normal other airdrop, but no one can ever tell it can become a very interesting project that's going to give you a good amount of money in crypto space. So join as sharp. I'll do ahead and update my KYC. Make sure you do your own as well. So what's your view about this project? Are you already working on it, or which other way you want me to talking about? And at the same time, don't forget to join our WhatsApp group. Link description of this video, and I'm going to post the link for you to go direct into your Play Store to download this application, description of this video. And don't forget to use my referral code SABJ, which I'm going to be showing on the screen of this video while you are watching. Thank you for watching. See you on the other side.